welcome back to my channel. This is Cheryl with iSTYLEMYSTYLE, and today I announced the winner of the Totally Dazzled $25 gift card. I hope you're all excited. Thanks to everyone that subscribed to the channel and subscribed to Totally Dazzled's channel. I am so happy to give away this $25 gift card. And so, without further ado, drum roll please. Let's see who wins the $25 Totally Dazzled gift card. We are now going to select the winner using this YouTube generator. So, let's get our comments. And it says there are 14 comments. And our winner is going to be Donna the Differ. Congratulations, Donna! You are the winner of the $25 Totally Dazzled gift card. Congratulations! Yay! So all I need for you to do is send me an email with your email address, so I can send you, or have Totally Dazzled send you, a $25 gift card, or you can go to their website and buy whatever you would like for $25. Yay, Donna! Yay! So happy for you. If you do a DIY with whatever you buy, make sure you tag me on Instagram. Send me an email, girl. I like to see it. So I would like to thank everyone who participated by commenting, liking the video, subscribing to both my and Totally Dazzled's channel. I greatly appreciate it. There will be more giveaways coming in the future, so if you are not already subscribed, make sure you do so and tap that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload. So again, congratulations, Donna, and thank you all for everyone that participated and watched and liked the video. So I hope everyone has an awesome day, has an awesome weekend. Stay blessed, stay safe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye, guys.